Power Query Quick Tip. Tired of clicking through menus to access the Power Query editor? Well, let's streamline your workflow. Normally, you'd go to the Data tab, click Queries and Connections, wait for the pane to appear, then double-click your query. That's a lot of steps, right? Well, put those clicking fingers to rest because I've got a time-saving shortcut for you. Ready for this?
Three, two, one.
It's Alt F12.
Oh my
That's
god.
right. Two keys to instantly open the Power Query editor. No more menu diving, just pure data transforming action. Try it out and thank me later. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel and Power Query tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.